your standard general bull market, and then you have your bubble markets. Bubbles work in phases, phase 1, 2, and 3. In phase 1 of a bubble bull market, you usually see this develop within 24 to 36 months, and then it gives you a price target on what we believe, based on our analysis, the prices should hit within 24 to 36 months once we reach a bubble phase 1. If we make it to bubble phase 2, that outlook is 42 to 60 months, and then we reach what is called a market frenzy buying range, and that price target gives you that one. Then the third bubble phase usually is 72 months plus into the future, projecting what we call the tulip craze. And when we hear the tulip craze, a crash is always imminent, always. And then it gives you a price target for that. The final measurement that we look at now is volatility. And volatility is based on volatility bands, and we measure market volatility, and then we give you the readout on that. And then finally, after we do the analysis, you get the Pandora's little black box of buy and sell signals. If there's a buy signal, you'll have it here. If there's sell signals, it'll be underneath here. So now that we walked you through it, let's go ahead and talk about this one here, which is GLD. Tracks the gold futures, the ETF for that. Price action based on yesterday's close was we had a change. It was up $1.02, or 0.87%, with weak bids going into the close. So there was some selling there. As for market sentiment, we have a pulse scan reading of negative 27.63, and the market pulse is negative since it's trading below its zero signal line. Negative 27.63 is less than zero, so that's how you factor that. The pulse scan crossed above the swing VIX, creating an uptrend channel as of yesterday's close. This means that positive momentum has now entered the market, so we expect sideways to higher prices within the next 3 to 5 days. Okay. The swing VIX is not currently in a topping above 39 or bottoming below negative 39 range, and a buy or sell signal is generated when the swing VIX moves out of an overbought or oversold area. Now, the last signal was an overbought sell 40 periods ago. Alright, the swing VIX does not currently show any failure swings, and the swing VIX and price are not diverging. Since the last swing VIX signal, the GLD's price has been unchanged and has ranged from a high of $119.10 to a low of $118.36. As for momentum, the market trend, currently the trend is slightly bullish. The uptrend is still intact, however, with prices holding above trendline support at $106.19 a share. As for trend strength, we're bullish range bound. Prices have ceased trending and have become consolidated at this time. The market has put in a short-term top. This means that the bulls are liquidating long positions, thus taking some profit off of the table. The close is currently above the long-term period moving average at $106.19 a share. The close is currently above its intermediate term period moving average at $117.68 a share. And the close is currently above its short-term period moving average at $118.46 a share. Today's rally pushed prices on the close above the short-term trend line support. As for intraday price projections for Wednesday, we have resistance at $118.93 a share and support at $118.52 a share. Our weekly price projections, we have resistance at $118.73 a share with support at $116.10 per share. Our monthly price projections are as follows. For this bull market uptrend, looking 12 to 18 months ahead, our price target is $158.30 a share for GLD. The long-term trendline resistance is currently at $123.56 a share, and the long-term trendline support is currently at $106.19 per share. Looking at our hyper-parabolic circuit breakers, looking 24 to 36 months ahead, if we enter a bubble phase 1, our price target is $193.04 a share. Looking into bubble phase 2, 42 to 60 months out. If we hit a market frenzy buying, then our price target should reach $227.78 a share. If we reach bubble phase 3, 72 months plus outlook, if we do hit that, we hit a tulip craze, then our crash will be imminent, but not before the price target of around $262.52 a share is hit. As for volatility, GLD closed above the lower band by 30.7%. This, combined with a steep downtrend, suggests that the downward trend in prices has a good chance of continuing. However, a short-term pullback inside the bands is likely. As for Pandora's little black box of buy and sell signals, we do have a buy signal looking at a third pulse wave long entry at $123.56 a share, and we'll leave our price target open, and our stop and reverse will be at $118.32 per share. That's all we got on GLD. Thanks for listening, and be encouraged, and remember, as a pirate, you take what you can and give nothing back.